Solve the following equation for x. You have e to x over 1 plus e to x is equal to 1 over 3. So the first thing you're going to do is just cross multiply so that you have 3e over x is equal to 1 into 1 plus e to x. If you simplify this, you're going to have e to x is equal to 1 plus e to x. Now you collect like terms. You have 3 e to x. Bring this one to the left. You get minus e to x is equal to 1. So these are like terms. You can just combine the two so that you have 2e to x is equal to 1. Then you just divide both sides by 2 so that you have e to x is equal to 1 over 2. So to get x, you just introduce natural log to both sides so that you have ln of e to x is equal to ln of 1 over 2. So ln and e will cancel so that you have x is equal to ln of 1 over 2, which can be written as negative ln of 2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.